Mother Ganga, from the lap of the Himalayas. Today is a day. Today is a day in which we are inaugurating Ram Mandir. This is a mandir of peace, of unity, of love, of dharma, of oneness. That is the message of Bhagwan Ram. And this is a mandir that we have waited 500 years for. And today, by the great commitment, the dedication, the devotion, the bhakti ki shakti, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, that dream of more than 1 billion people today is coming to fruition. During these 500 years, we have waited patiently, lovingly, peacefully, faithfully. The structure of the mandir was destroyed 500 years ago, but the spirit of love and devotion was never destroyed, never can be destroyed. That spirit, that Shakti in our hearts of love, of devotion, can never be destroyed. And today, along with the spirit, along with the Shakti, we are having the great blessing of inaugurating and consecrating that structure also, of that sacred mandir. And this is the day, here in New York, we are heralding in a new yuga, Naya Yuga. This is the era of Bhagwan Ram, the era of Ram Raja, an era of peace, of equality, of unity, of togetherness, of oneness, of harmony, of care. That is what Bhagwan Ram taught. Look, wo sabko apne saath leke gaye. He brought everybody with him. Not only people of every caste, but even every species. Look at Bhagwan Ram's army. Look at the kingdom. He embraced all, welcomed all, loved all. Or swayam shabri ke paas chal ke gaye. What a beautiful message. Not the most rich, not the most famous, not the most beautiful, not the one with the mansions and the Mercedes, but the one with the love and the devotion in her heart. That is the message of Bhagwan Ram. Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram!
And that is what our Honorable Modi ji is bringing to India, that same spirit of oneness and togetherness and service in the same way that Bhagwan Ram went to Shabri. He was there, all the rishis were there, the sages, the saints, who had been doing their tapasya for so long. But when Bhagwan Ram went, met everybody, blessed everybody, but swayam Shabri ke paas chal ke gaye. And that is what our Honorable Modi ji is doing in India today, working for the women, working for the girls, working for the children, working for those who are the underprivileged, working for those in need, working for all, bringing everyone together. Lastly, my sisters and my brothers here, our Honorable Modi ji has done the miraculous, has brought this mandir to fruition. But now is the time for our responsibility. Now is the time for us, together, joining hand in hand, heart in heart, to bring about an era, this Naya Yuga of Ram Raja, this Yuga, this era of oneness, of love, of togetherness, of peace, of justice, of dharma. That is Sanatan. Sanatan is for everyone. We pray, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kashchid Dukkha Bhag Bhave. For everyone, Sarve. That is our message. And today, as at this time they're inaugurating the Mandir in Ayodhya, we inaugurate the Mandir in our hearts, that Mandir for Bhagwan Ram in our hearts, in our cities, in our lives, in our communities. And we bring about that Ram Raja in our own cities and countries, wherever we are. That era of Dharma, that is what Bhagwan Ram brought for us, and that is today together what we can bring to the world. Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram! Jai Shri Ram! Jai! Jai!
हम लोग सीधा नाम जप करने का मौका मिल रहा है. So I would like to request Radha Gopinath Temple's President Shri Shuklambar Prabhu to come here and speak about the glories of Ram and the important event that is happening in Ayodhya.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram!
I'll take just 2 or 3 minutes. I know you are all very excited. The entire Ramayana is spoken in one verse, one shloka. Would you like to hear that?
Yes!
Okay. Ado Rama Tapovanadi Gamanam. Can anybody translate? Ado Rama Tapovanadi Gamanam. The meaning is once when Rama was sent to the forest, Hatva Mriga Kanchanam. What is the meaning? He killed a deer which was golden in complexion. Vaidehi Haranam. Sita was kidnapped. Jatayu Maranam. Jatayu was killed. Sugriva Sambhashanam. Lord Rama had created a strategy planning to wage a war against King Ravana. Vali Dushta Nigrahanam. Vali Dushta Nigrahanam. He killed Vali. Samudra Taranam. Crossed over the ocean. Lanka Puri Dahanam. He burnt into ashes the Swarna Lanka. Paschat Ravana Kumbhakarna Hananam. Later on he killed Kumbhakarna and Ravana. Etadhi Ramayanam. It is the gist of entire Ramayana. So this single verse describes the entire Ramayana succinctly in a single verse. So it's a great opportunity, a momentous occasion for all of us to celebrate with joy, with pomp and gaiety the arrival of
Lord Ram.
Shri Ram.